today we're going to make a seasonal recipe. Something that you can enjoy during the holidays. One of the main ingredients, pumpkin, is in season in most parts of the world this time of year. So we want to make this simple, easy, and fun dessert. And it is a showstopper.
Yeah, especially, you know, in the fall and the winter. This is a fun thing to have for the weekend and enjoy with your family. Absolutely.
Okay, let's start with this.
You start with the pumpkin.
This is a big pumpkin. My goodness.
Okay, the easiest way, because we're doing it raw, is that we cut it in slices. And we're not going to need a ton of this.
Okay.
Okay, so here. So we'll just cut this in slices. So we'll just cut the carrots in thin slices so we can put them in. So we're going to put the squash in. Okay, so this is actually the filling. So now, what do you want to put in the filling?
We want to put some cinnamon.
Okay.
For sure.
Boy, it makes everything. So we take a tablespoon to start with.
And then we want a pumpkin pie spice. I love pumpkin pie spice. It has mace in it.
Which has nutmeg and cinnamon too. Maybe take half a tablespoon of
and
that.
then mesquite.
Yeah, it has a really nice, kind of a sweet flavor too. So chia has this amazing omega-3, 6, 9. I think I'm going to take 2 of these teaspoons.
I mean, that's why she and I choose, chia seeds.
Yes. So we're going to use a tiny bit of stevia. So this is the natural sweetener that you all can use. And if I have diabetes, it's not a problem. If you have cancer, it's not a problem. So, this you have to realize, it's very sweet.
Yeah, if you overdo it, you ruin it.
Yeah, so I'll just take a few drops.
She had like 4 drops. That was it. That was much.
Because the pumpkin and the carrot, of course, these are sweet as they are in themselves.
So we have our spices, we have our thickener.
Yeah.
A couple more spices though, I want to add.
Yes.
And I did kind of throw these in at the last minute. I snuck them in, Anna Maria.
I love it.
Turmeric.
Yep.
Just gonna put, what do you think, 2 slices?
It's fine.
Okay.
2 slices.
And then fresh ginger.
Yeah, the more the merrier.
Right.
that keeps you warm in the winter.
Yeah.
Yes. Vanilla. That is kind of the trick if you want anything to taste good.
That's true. She's right.
Yeah, so that we use a tiny bit too.
But I really want to point out,
taste.
2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon?
I think a full teaspoon.
This is vanilla flavoring with no alcohol.
Right.
If you use vanilla flavoring with alcohol and the stevia, it actually won't taste good.
No.
So you either have to use raw sun-dried vanilla or this vanilla flavoring that has no alcohol.
Then we have our pine nuts. That's going to also make this creamy. A cup. We'll do a cup. Okay. Well, let's see where this takes us.
All right. I got a little aggressive with it, Anna Maria. But I think it worked.
Well, we have
Let's
to taste it now.
All right, we're going to blend again.
Yeah. So we soak every seed, nut, grain, and bean to get rid of something called an enzyme inhibitor. So these pecans now have been soaked.
Yes.
Overnight.
You can actually smell them.
Yeah.
We've got about 3-ish cups. We don't, gosh, if you have any left over. So we're going to pit the dates.
Yes. It's really
And boy, you don't
important.
want to get that wrong because
No.
those
You want to
pits.
count. I always want to count how many dates I have, how many pits are out.
You could break a tooth.
Yes, you could.
So we don't want to do that.
You need a tiny bit of water.
And a little bit of vanilla.
Yes.
I'm going to put in here. Okay.
So it's dates and pecan or dates and walnuts. It's very simple.
Let's just see. Hold on a second. Now it's starting to come together.
Yeah.
You can see that. Here. It's fun in the kitchen with you.
Yes, yeah.
I love this. Is like play.
We always have fun in the kitchen. And realize that when you put chia in here, that's going to swell. So that's what's really going to hold it together. This will be ready to eat in like half an hour. Yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Okay, so this is the fun part. You don't have to oil it or anything, right?
No.
Okay. So we pack it in here.
Yep.
And we're making our pie base.
So today we just had nuts and seeds and vegetables. Perfect combination.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
The pie crust. It's kind of fun, actually.
Yep. That looks good.
Kids might enjoy it.
All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh,
The
here we
filling.
go. It really does smell good. I got everything in here is life-giving. Everything in here restores vitality. Everything in here is healthy.
Yep.
You can feel so confident and good treating yourself to this.
Right. And you know, Jennifer will just put it together for you and make it
Simple.
a certification. Yes.
Easy
I
and
think
fun.
Yes.
Who knew that pumpkin pie was part of our Hippocrates diet? My goodness, it's pretty.
Well, of course.
And so now you can decorate it.
Yep.
Should we get some? Here, I'll put some over here.
Yep. I would do pecan now. We have pecan.
Yeah. And this pie is an example of that.
Yeah.
Because this serves a need of today for the holiday season, because we all need great ideas to accompany our Thanksgiving dinner or our holiday dinner. These are ingredients that are accessible anywhere you are in the world.
Right.
And I never would have thought to make a pie out of carrots and pumpkin.
Right.
Raw, nonetheless, without cooking it. So
Right.
it's a revolutionary concept.
Yeah. You know, this is going to raise a little bit because of the chia seeds in here. So you let it sit for like at least half an hour, an hour.
In the fridge.
In the fridge.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then if you're going to let it sit, I used to put a plate on top, because
Yeah.
I don't like to use plastic wrap.
Right.
So here we have our beautiful pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
And Maria, thank you for the inspiration.
Thank you.
It was simple, easy, and fun for me. I love being in the kitchen with you.
I know. I love it. I am, you know, so excited about this. I hope you all are.
Thank you for being with us. We'll see you at the next time.
Thank you.